video, make sure you already have subscribed to my channel and also like this video if you want to. Turn on post notifications and share it with your friends, guys. And yeah, let's begin then. And here it is, guys. It is the GoPro Hero 9. So this GoPro is my favorite camera. Why? Because there are so many big changes about this GoPro. Let's start first with the design. The Hero 9 has now this awesome new front facing screen, as you guys can see. And this makes it so much easier to film. GoPro also did something with the lens. We can now take off this lens and then replace it with a wider lens, also known as the Max mod. The Hero 9 is also now bigger than the previous GoPro Hero 8 and it's also heavier too. But this material, guys, let me tell you, it's like a tank. The resolution has now improved more too. We can now shoot this camera now at 5K on 30 FPS. But guys, just let me tell you this, GoPro did the job because I'm really happy with this GoPro. I'm satisfied too. That's everything I need. We have the front facing screen. We can take off the lens and replace with a wider lens as well. We have 5K. We can connect this GoPro also to our phone as well. And we can also go live with this thing and so much more, guys, and all this for only 400 bucks. That sounds like a really good deal to me and you can't miss this. But I also saw some people vlogging with this camera, comparing to a big DSLR camera, and I really want to try this out too. So right now what we are going to do, guys, is vlogging with this camera. So let's do this. Alright guys, so right now, as you guys can see, I am filming now on 5K on 30 FPS, guys. I have no idea how this looks right now. To me it looks fine, it looks good enough on the front facing screen. Also, if this front facing screen isn't big enough for you, if you want to have a bigger screen, don't worry, GoPro has a display mod for that. You can buy it on their site. If this mic isn't good enough for you, they have a media mod with a built-in shotgun mic too. And if you want to have better light, they have a light mod too. And also they have for the lens also a wider lens. It's called the Max mod, and they got so much more for their GoPro. Check their site out, guys. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. Alright, so right now, guys, we're going to try now some video modes like time lapse or time warp. So let's do this. Alright guys, so we're back now. I am really satisfied with this GoPro. It has everything I need. It's also a great opportunity for you guys for starting your first vlogs or making content too, like me for example. And yes guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on post notifications and share it with your friends, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.